welcome back to my family's channel, the Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie, and today we are doing an unboxing of
Wow, do you remember?
Nope. I can't pronounce it. Anyways, let's see what's inside the box.
Oh, basil.
Basil's a good idea. My son is educating himself over here on herbs.
Of course, Nick.
Holy smokes. Whatever's in here.
It's well packed.
Grobo?
Yeah, it's a Grobo.
Grobo. That's
Yeah.
how you say it, Grobo.
A burdock. That looks good. It's like a candle wrapping a leaf.
So this Grobo is a in-home growing system for herbs and I guess whatever you want,
Where
really.
we place it?
We're gonna put it on the window ledge.
Yeah.
Mom wanted to start growing herbs.
It's
So you got
So fresh stuff. That's the
peat
little.
pods that it came with.
You put your seeds in there.
Hey, the type of
Yeah.
bag we just opened.
And nutrients.
Can I see? Can I have it? Does that like go on the herb?
Yeah, it's to help.
So I guess it's to help
It's to feed.
with growth and feeding them. Place 1 sachet of microgreen and 1 sachet of macro blue in 22 fluid ounces of water every fill. I'm gonna have to read the directions on this because
She has no idea what she's doing.
I have a brown thumb, not a green thumb. So although I have been successful at keeping my cactus and what is the other thing called? It's not a
Maybe
cactus.
It is the cactus.
Succulent.
Succulent. Thank you. My succulent that I got like a year ago is still alive and it's massive. And they're in the window.
I thought succulent was there before.
It used to be there,
It
and
used
then
to
she
be
moved it.
I moved it. So anyways, let's try and... It's not a very big machine. And it just grows 3.
That's
Am I
awful
opening
small.
this whole thing? Do you want me to open it right up?
She can only plant 3 herbs at a time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
3 herbs, and then she
I
can
could
have
probably do like, I don't know, I really like green peppers, so I probably could
No,
do,
you can start it, and then that's,
try and do green
Mom, look at
peppers.
the burdock.
Ooh, that's the roots. Whoa.
it's upside down, eh?
Yeah, I see that. Hi, it's not upside down to me. It might be upside down to you. You gonna hold that, please?
Yeah, there's also, this must be the light.
I think it's part of the, obviously.
Maybe.
There's a box of,
Be a plug.
yep, there's a plug. Plug. And
It's awfully white.
not sure what this is.
It's pretty deep, that base, eh?
Okay. Starter kit's got lids and stuff to help your, I guess, to start your seeds.
Yeah, because you gotta get it.
Yeah, my son was actually looking at herbs that we could start to grow.
Or if you have any ideas, let us know in
Yeah.
the comments below.
Because I don't know. I have no idea what to start with.
I want to try burdock.
Never heard of it.
Never
Looks sick.
I've never heard of it either. But yeah, so if you have any ideas, me a good... I love cilantro, so maybe cilantro.
And what we're gonna do is
Basil?
we'll grow it, and we'll see how it turns out, and give you
Yeah,
guys
so if you
an
guys have
update.
any suggestions...
This goes there.
Oh, I guess... Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah, this is like an extension.
Okay, and this goes here.
Yeah,
It's not
no.
gonna put it all together right now, but I'm guessing this is the light to help it,
Yeah, the grow light.
or heat or something. I don't know.
No, it's a grow light. It's LED lights.
What about a
Yeah,
cardamom?
that's what it looks.
It's actually pretty bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Eda?
So
It's a cardamom.
there is that.
Read it. It tells you what it is and what it helps
It's
you.
like, it looks
So
like-
please give me some suggestions as to what you think I should grow, because I have no idea.
And we'll set it up, and we'll
And then we'll set it up, and
give you an
I'll
update.
yeah. As the video, as it starts to grow and we start to plan, I'll do a video on it, and then as things start to progress and actually grow, I'll give you guys little updates on it to see how it is doing. Hopefully I can grow something. Bye.